afternoon, everybody present here at the award ceremony organized by Medical Research Summit and Blackbird Awards. First of all, I congratulate medical delegates for organizing today's Medical Research Award function and encouraging and promoting medical researches. The uncontrolled population and underdevelopment in the medical science is creating a material changes in front of the society to meet with the increasing demand of healthcare. The demand is on the applied research for developing new drugs, investigations, imaging techniques, surgical modalities, and to be able to give a longer lifespan with healthy aging and better disease control. I am aware as a doctor as well as a politician and now the minister in government of India that most of these innovations are industry driven and is done by foreign multinationals, which makes the new invention extremely costly, unaffordable, and creates a depletion of health finances for few instead of all. India has a rich history for medical research. We are the pioneer of Siddha, Unani, Ayurveda, but modern medical research actually started in the British occupancy of our country before 1947. For more than 200 years, the great tradition of medical research was put to hold, though the institutions like Indian Medical Council and research were established, yet the contribution of our country towards medical research was extremely low. After independence, the country has been struggling with the financial deficits and has been finding itself difficult to match the need for healthcare financing for the larger population, and medical research took a backstage. It is only after dynamic leadership provided by our Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji that a concentrated effort has been initiated for Make in India for the healthcare products. An initiative like Skill India aims to train healthcare professionals. In our recent yearly budget, around 4,000 crore has been allocated for healthcare research to create more fellowship programs, research grants, and strengthening the institutions like ICMR and encouraging the public-private partnership to have a bigger role in improving research facilities, collaboration, and partnership. I am sure that our country has enormous potential for research and innovations. Our country has excelled in space technology. The success of Chandrayaan-3 mission achieved a very cost-effective lunar landing. Also, a success of Mangalyaan mission, which is the world's cheapest space mission, is the proof of our strength, capacity for research and making the things cost-effective. The proof of our strength of research lies in the development of COVID vaccine. The cheaper cardiac stent and valve creating the top and generic medicine, but still the participation of industry and academician is necessary required so that we can boost becoming self-sufficient and self-maintained sector for healthcare. For the same, I once again congratulate Medical Dialogue and Dr. Prem Agrawal sir and his team committed to cause the promotion of this research summit and providing award to the prominent medical researchers in the country. Today's deliberation in the research summit on the important topic like challenges, opportunities obstacles and innovations, role of industry and medical education are for discussion, and I am sure you will send me the gist of the deliberation so that I can put it across the cabinet wherever is possible. I also congratulate the Black Bug awardees for medical research. Rightly mentioned, you are the elite and we are part of our society for dedicating yourself, your energy, your commitment in creating new innovation in medical science. I am sure that this event shall bring an encouragement and stimulation for others to follow your path, and soon you will achieve the vision and commitment of our government to be self-reliant and example for others for medical research. And lastly, I am also thankful to Dr. Srinivas sir and जो कि NMC के सेक्रेटरी हैं, डॉक्टर अभिजात सेठ जो कि नेशनल बोर्ड ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन के प्रेसिडेंट हैं, डॉक्टर परितेश सेठ जो स्कॉलर हैं, साइंटिफिक स्कॉलर हैं, डॉक्टर मेघना मैम, और इस कार्यक्रम में उपस्थित हमारे सीनियर्स एंड जूनियर्स, आप लोगों को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।